Step 1. Inviting the class teacher to set up their teacher account at your school. Click on Invite Staff in the quick link box. Select the Invite Teacher tab on the pop-up window. Enter the teacher's current and active email. Ensure the email is accurate so the class teacher can receive the invitation link and OTP they will use to complete their account setup. Choose the class you want the class teacher to manage and click Invite. The class teacher will receive an OTP and invite via email. They must follow the prompts to complete registration. Please advise the teacher to watch the Teacher's App playlist for a step-by-step walkthrough of the process. Visit the classroom that you assigned to the teacher via the classroom page to verify if the teacher has created the account and is actively managing the class. If you see no details added, it indicates that the teacher has not created the account yet. If the teacher's name appears, it signifies that the teacher has accepted the invite and successfully created the teacher's account. Now, you can track when the teacher is online, indicating active management of the classroom, or logged out. You also have the option to reassign the teacher to another class or delete the teacher's account if they are no longer associated with your school. It's important to note that this action does not delete any of the school's data or files stored on Greynote. Now that you have assigned the classrooms to their respective class teachers, you can shift your focus to what matters most: managing the school.